Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Agix price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Agix chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart. We have also lost a significant high at around the $0.5 mark. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that we have fully maximized our target areas to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, and there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 5. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Agix chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot structures, where we have seen this Elliot structure in red having that first wave giving us a peak at around the $0.13 mark. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, and after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next is an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, where we have seen the formation of that wave 3 giving us a peak at around the $0.67 mark. And in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, where you can see that I have this Elliot structure in yellow having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also fully maximizing the formation of that wave 3. And after seeing the high for that wave 3, we expected a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 4, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum retracement area in the formation of that wave 4 between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.5, which lies between the $0.4283 mark and the $0.35351 mark, and it is within this yellow target area down here that I was expecting to see the low for that wave 4. We fully maximized that target area, and we started this bounce to the upside in a move that recently gave us a peak at around the $0.56 mark in the formation of this wave 3. And this wave 3 is a fractal wave within the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5 to the upper side, which is right here. And if I first sketch out a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 5 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3, that gave me a minimum target area at the fib of 1.618, and that is at around the $0.83975 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Agix to do in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 3. And getting further into the technical analysis and also give you my breakdown targets here on the Agix chart, you can see that at the time of this recording we have lost a key significant high at around the $0.5 mark. We have also lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, and since we were in the formation of this wave 3, we need to continue holding within some areas on the Fibonacci's for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high, that is the second wave, to the high of that wave 3, that gives me an area on the Fibonacci's that we need to continue holding within. That is the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. We need to continue holding within this blue target area, which lies between the $0.4685 mark and the $0.4187 mark. The moment we break out of this target area, then that will be putting a major challenge on the formation of this wave 3, and there are chances of not seeing that recovery to the upper side to give us that is to fully maximize our target area to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.64485 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the Agix chart. This is the target area that we need to continue watching, and the moment we lose this, then there are chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is still the formation of this wave 4, where we could just term this as an ABC corrective structure, having this as the wave A, then a wave B, then we might expect one more leg down in the formation of that wave C to fully maximize our new target areas to the lower side in the formation of that wave 4 before we can expect the explosive move to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 42 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support any movements to the upper side and also to the lower side. Also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we have been able to print a bearish cross, which is suggesting that there are chances of continuing to see that breakdown to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 4, and also give us new lows in the formation of that wave 4. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.